Now that we've reviewed the economic principles at play when determining a property's fair market value, we'll get into the mechanics of the appraisal process itself. There are, of course, variations to this, but we're going to focus on a standard appraisal of a single-family residence. An appraisal consists of 6 steps: identifying and defining the appraisal effort to be undertaken by the appraiser, data collection, analyzing the data, applying the 3 appraisal approaches, reconciliation and final valuation of the property, and producing the complete appraisal report. The first step in the appraisal process is the identification of the questions to be answered during the appraisal. Essentially, this sets forth the scope of effort to be employed during the appraisal. The questions to be answered might include: what's the purpose of the appraisal? What interest in the property is being appraised? What is the description and location of the property to be appraised? Who owns or holds an interest in the property being appraised? What is the highest and best use of the property? What encumbrances affect the condition of title to the property? Once it is established what questions the appraisal effort is intended to address, the next step of the appraisal process is data collection. Background information gathered on the property to conduct an appraisal is divided into 2 categories: general data, information on a region, city, and neighborhood surrounding the property, and specific data, information on the location, lot, and improvements of the subject property. Basically, the distinction here is micro versus macro. The general data gathered are to provide a broad overview of the area surrounding the property. Data on the location and regional economy are included since it affects the property within the local real estate market. Regional considerations include geography. Other features to consider include the quality of school systems and public facilities. The collection of specific data about a property includes information on the size of the parcel, lot type, the improvements on the property, and the uses permitted.